Oops, number 3 is the blind citation. An in-text citation by itself is blind. It can only refer to the name of the source. You, the writer, must make it clear what information from the source is being used. Here's our example. During the meeting, I will maintain eye contact with team members as they are speaking. Munter. Well, maintaining eye contact is always a good idea. However, it's not clear what contribution Munter made to the author's statement. To correct a blind citation, simply clarify what information from the source it is that you're using. You can do this with a paraphrase of the source. During the meeting, I will maintain eye contact with team members as they are speaking. As Munter and Hamilton point out, eye contact establishes a speaker-listener connection. Or you can use selective quotes, also called spot quotes, where you quote keywords from the source that informed your statement. During the meeting, I will use, quote, the crucial nonverbal skill of eye contact to establish, quote, a connection with team members as they are speaking. Munter. Here it's clear that these key words are being pulled from Munter and are the ones that help inform what the student wrote in the original sentence.